I still remember the first time I had sweet corn soup. I did not know much about Indo Chinese food back then. I just remember being curious because it looked so simple. The soup came to the table steaming hot, light, and nothing fancy. That's probably why it stayed with me. So I start this recipe the same way, with water in the pan. When I took that first spoon, I remember feeling the texture. Not fully smooth, not chunky either. That's why I add roughly ground corn. It gives the soup its character. There was a mild warmth in this bowl. Not spicy, just comforting. Finely chopped ginger and garlic do that here. And one whole green chilli just to bring everything together. I remember noticing little bits of corn and vegetable in every spoon. Whole corn kernels and finely chopped carrot. Make sure you get the same bite every time. The soup was hot, the kind that makes you slow down between spoonfuls. So I let it come to a boil without rushing it. There was also a slight crunch in it. Thinly sliced French bean add that contrast. Soft but not lost. Cabbage goes in towards the end. It stays light and fresh, just like I remember. The flavors were never sharp or overpowering. Just salt and a little vinegar for balance. Nothing more. White pepper is what I remember most. Not chilli heat, but warmth. Mixed together with cornflour slurry, it thickens the soup gently, just enough. One final boil and the soup finds its texture. Light, comforting, familiar. Spring onion greens on top, and suddenly it feels like the first bowl again. Simple, warm, and satisfying. That's my version of the sweet corn soup, made the way I remember it. If this brought back memories to you too, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to Reels to Meal. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it warm. And thank you for watching.